Okay, we're over here, gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to multiplication, and we're looking at 8.2 here. It looks like perform the multiplication and write in standard form. 8.2. So we have x minus 8 times x squared plus 8x plus 64. Okay. Got that. So we'll just rewrite that right up here. X minus 8 x squared times x squared plus 8x. Seems like we've done a problem like this before, but I guess we're just going to practice, right? Oh yeah, I see something going on. So there's a shortcut. You see a particular pattern here. There's a shortcut. You can just go and write it out real fast without having to multiply all this stuff out. But we'll talk about that here in just a second. Okay, and the previous problem, that was the difference of two squares, and this is going to end up being something similar, kind of difference of something else. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. We have x times x squared is x cubed. X times 8x is 8x squared. X times 64 is 64x. Now let's go through here. We got do the other one. We got negative 8 times x squared. You can say negative 8. This is minus 8, however you want to do that. And then got negative 8 times this. That's going to be negative 64x. Now you notice we have a positive 64 and a minus 64. And then of course we've got negative 8 times 64. And let's see, 8 times 64, that's 24, 512, yeah. Alright, so that's going to be a minus and a positive, so that's going to be a minus 512. Okay, so that should be all of them. Should have 6 terms here. And of course, we want to collect up the like ones. Those guys are canceling out, it looks like, I just noticed. And then these guys here canceling out, and so we're left with x cubed minus 512. Minus 512. Now, this could actually be written as x cubed minus 8 cubed. Right, x cubed minus 8 cubed. 8 cubed should be 512. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is actually the difference of two cubes. And to go from here to here, okay, there's that little formula that you're going to follow, and we'll talk about that later. But once you see this, you ought to go, oh, that's the difference of two cubes, and 8 happens, right, to be this term here, cubed. Anyway, so a little insight on what we might be seeing coming up here in the future when it comes to factoring. Okay, all right. And these are things that you're going to definitely have to know how to do later on in the story. Alright, actually it's a pretty long story. Let's get over here to back to the page. So we have x cubed minus 512. And we're going to check this just for the heck of it. I don't know why that came up. It just did. So we have x cubed minus 512. Correct, good. Alright, so we're over here somewhere. We're over here at gotomath.com practicing. Come on by, get it taken care of. Bye.